Well, today's video is going to be about repairs, breakdowns. What's next? How can so much bad luck happen to one couple? Well, here it goes again. Well, it seems like I'm always taking it towards the sun, but here's where we are, right off of the freeway. You can always pull up the Google Maps and it'll take you right to here, I'm sure. But the truck is done, and the guy, Mike, the owner and mechanic, was really nice. I mean, he got us in here and got us out of here, and it's running good. We know what the problem is, and I'm going to add that to it, this video. He had to get back to work because somebody else has broke down here, so, and he's too shy to be on the camera, but there he walks. There he went. No, I don't want to be on camera. Okay, we'll do a little more on this video, quite a bit more. Well, it's pretty obvious what the problem is. Or was. This was rattling around in there. But I think the clunking, if you notice, this is supposed to be lined up over there. Oops, excuse me. This is supposed to be lined up over there. So that means this thing is just sitting in there, chunk, 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 chunk. Brand new. But this doesn't look like the one that Flash showed me. It is heavy dutier than usual. But the one that he showed me they used, it only had, every other one of these were not there. It was solid. And see, this is cracked all the way out to here. That seems to be a problem. It's cracked there. Cracked here. Not happy with that part. But that's not part of his rebuilt transmission. It's still hanging in there. We're going to take this back, and we're going to get a lot better one put in it when we get down to Yuma. Right now we got a stock one in it, and I'll take that one back down to Flash. It's got a stock one in it, and Flash paid the whole bill to get that other one, this one out and the other one put in. And I don't think he really had to do that. I don't think that was part of the warranty, even though this was part of the purchase. He said the transmission was warranted, but I think he did that just because he's a good guy. And, you know, parts fail. But let me show you what else there is. Okay, well, this was the problem, making it lost the power. Right here, this is an injector. I'll show you what an injector looks like. I don't know what he charged me for this. I haven't looked at the bill. This is the old one. Yeah, I'm going to put this down and pull it out. Okay, there it is. Alright, start over here. This is the injector. This is, it looks like a good one, really. But looks can be deceiving. I just had these put in, 20,000 miles ago. But a year after I put them in, one of them started leaking. It was apparently this one, number 5 hole, is what that came out of. This is Bosch. That's Bosch. They're both Bosch, which is a good one. But mechanical things just fail. So we got a new a rebuilt one of them in there. I don't think it's new. I'll have to look on the deal. For the price Who knows? But I'll write down here right on somewhere if it's new or used. I'll go check out the receipt right now. We got the got the rig back, as you can see. Yeah, I knocked that on the floor. The rig is back. Sorry about the quick movement. But I'm gonna help Vicky. We're putting up groceries. Got to go do. There's old Hank in there. Say hey, Hank. I don't know if you can see Hank. You'll want to say hey. There's old Hank. He's saying hey. We're putting up the groceries. We were about out of groceries. We gonna go do the laundry, and we got to get out of here tomorrow because they rented this spot back out. Now on to the next clip. Well, guys, it's gonna be our last day here. We were thinking about staying here a couple more days, but we just got the truck out. You've seen all that ahead of time, and we don't have a place to stay, so we're going to take off tomorrow, and we're going to try to find a place to boondock, kind of gather our feathers. It's about 100 and some miles from here. Truck's running good, glad of that, and it wasn't a motor. That's good. We also Vicky's doing laundry right now, and we went and got groceries while we picked up the truck, so that's taken care of. And we got lucky. We get the bad luck, we get the good luck finally. I think with all the blessings I got from you guys down there, I think my luck should be good forever. I can't believe it. I mean, you guys, you're awesome. You're all awesome. I'd like to meet every one of you and shake every one of your hands. And thanks for all the contributions. As soon as it gets up to just enough just to pay the bill, we'll take it out and we'll shut that down, because I ain't gonna be greedy. I think I can't do it. Frosty has to do it, and I don't know if he knows how to do it. I sure hope we know how to do it. But we couldn't use my credit card. Anyway, we couldn't use it, so we had to use Vicky's. She has a higher limit than I do. I didn't know they dropped my limit because I retired, but they did. So this is a nice place. I'll give you a little review on this campground. It's a great campground. Let's see if we can get that. There we go. There's the motel there, and the casino. It's like I said, it's pretty cool here. I'll stay here again going through here. They were nice to us. They give us a pretty good discount. You go in there and you sign up for your card. It was about 36 bucks a night. And it's a nice place. I don't know about the restaurant. I don't know why Vicky got food poisoning, but boy, she did. And so I'm going to go ahead and put some other stuff on here probably if I get a chance, but we're going to be out of here. By the time I post this, we will be gone. And I hope you enjoy the Siskra videos that you've been watching, because they'll be on before this one. I'm going to give you a break from my woes. I'll probably put a thing on there saying we're on the road or something, but I'll give you a detailed thing in a minute. Or I already have. I don't know where it's at. Talk to you later. I kind of feel like we're the poor people. Look at these fine rigs. You notice Vicky's head's always in my shot.
Where would you like me to stand? You keep turning the camera around to where I am. I was here first.
Yeah, you can tell she's feeling better. We're going to head up to the casino. I got $4 and she's got $5, so we shouldn't be going long. But they have got, this place is full, and they have got some expensive rigs in this place. But hey guys, we're out of here tomorrow. Let me show you, the truck is repaired and running better than it has in a long time, even shifting smoother. It was an injector, and it was a shattered flex plate.
Oh, there's the shuttle.
And there's the shuttle. I think we'll hop in the shuttle. Let's do that. All right, guys. I'm going to post this now so you know we're okay. And we're out of here in the morning. Well, it is windy today. Oh my.
Very windy.
What do we got? Would you say 26 miles?
Probably about 18 miles now.
18? No, I meant miles per hour. Wind.
Oh, 20 mile per hour wind.
And
Right at us.
Right at us. But we're on the road. And truck's running good. But we got the power cut down. So this is going to be at the end of the other videos I took when we were back there. We're almost to where we're going to go today. But I want to thank y'all.
I want to thank everyone too
Well,
for all your well wishes and all your prayers and your support. When I was sick from the food poisoning, that took me 3 days to get over that, and I just am so appreciative that everyone was wishing me well. It really did help, and you guys will never know how much we appreciate you. And I'm going to cry. Thank you, everybody.
Yep. You pulled us through a rough spot right there. We didn't know what we were, luckily it wasn't the motor. But everybody on YouTube, everybody on Facebook listened to it, and nobody could figure it out. And when the mechanic heard it, he said it's coming from the bottom end. And that's where it was coming from. But thank God and all you guys, it was not the motor. And thanks to Flash, you seen in the video earlier, he stood by his stuff, so we only didn't have to pay as much as we was scared we were going to have to pay. So, thank you from me.
And me.
And Hank. He's sleeping.
He's on the floor snoozing. I want his life.
Yeah. Next stop, Rufus, Oregon, for some R&R at a free campsite, if it's still there.
Yeah. On the Columbia River.
Yeah, that's Columbia River right there. Well, truck's working because I got it in standard stock. I'm not putting it in high performance until I get some more work done, and that'll be done down in Human. So you guys stay tuned, follow, and subscribe. But most of all, enjoy your life and know you did a good deed.
Yeah.